Hi everyone, I'm Miss Siren. This time we are going to learn how to input asterisk of part of phone number by using flash fill. Shall we start? There is phone number data. We will keep some of the phone numbers out of sight for security. Select D4 cell. The phone number on the left, as you see. Input 1-20 and asterisk instead of number. Asterisk hyphen asterisk 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 hyphen, and the last 4-digit number you just input 4, 5, 6, 7 and enter. Press the flash fill shortcut Ctrl+E. The rest of the cells are filled with this pattern, right? What do you think? This is really useful. In addition, if you want to print this document, original report, you better not see column C, right? Take a look at, click C column header, and click Hide at Short menu. This is very simple. Okay, good. Thank you for watching. This is Miss Siren. See you next time. Bye-bye.